how to remove phone lock in the Tecno. First, switch off your phone. If you forget phone pin lock, you forget how to unlock. First, try to enter the original pin. Maybe could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Say long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say long. Oh, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Say long. Oh, can we look the front? Yeah. This is Tecno T349. Okay, let's try again. Put your battery, and then switch on your phone. Try again. Try original pin 0000. Say wrong. Whoa. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Say wrong. Try again. 1, 1, 2, 2. Oh, fine. So now it is okay. You can continue your activities and you go and setting, security setting, phone security, lock, 1, 1, 2, 2, and lock. Your phone now is okay. See, amazing. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates, for more videos. Now you can subscribe. Click to the red button down there where it's subscribe and like, share this video. Also stay tuned in to get more videos. Thank you.